Pulled pork, made in a slow cooker, easy and delicious. Mustard powder, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika powder. Yeah, make it 2. Smoked paprika, chili flakes, smoked salt, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Let's mix this together. This will make a good rub. Now, this is pork shoulder. We're gonna put the rub on and then massage it in. Give it a good massage so that every side is covered. Also do the back side. Now put it in some tin foil and let it at least rest for 24 hours. Now we're gonna make a marinade. Put in some vinegar, water, and I used a honey barbecue sauce, but you also can use a whiskey sauce or a beer barbecue sauce, whatever you like. I like the honey. So mix this. Now I diced up some onions, put it on the bottom. And yeah, it was bigger than I thought, but it fits perfectly. Now we're gonna pour on the marinade. Now put the lid on and turn it on high heat. And now we're gonna wait for 10 hours. Look at this beauty. It's so tender, it falls apart. It's absolutely delicious. Put it on some buns, or well, you can make a tortilla, pulled pork tortilla or nachos, whatever you like. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and follow me. Thank you. See you next time.